right, so today we are going to be putting clover down. So this little spot right here, not the green plot, but this little spot here, this was turnips and radishes. So it's got a lot of bare ground in it. This little spot here is a 1/4 acre. I usually shoot for 5 to 6 pounds of clover seed per acre. So we're just going to put this red clover on this spot, and since it's a 1/4 acre, I'm only going to put 2 pounds. So about half of this container, I got almost 4 pounds in here. And you don't want to, you don't want to worry about, you know, setting your seeder. So what I like to do, this one has settings on it. I usually put it on like 4, but what I do is I just feather this trigger here until I see what the seed's doing. So it's very easy to put down too much seed, especially with this small. I mean, look how small these little clover seeds are. So what we're going to do is we're going to run north to south, and then we're going to go east to west if there's any seed, just so we get uniformity. So that was about 2 1/4 pounds on a 1/4 acre, which is actually about 8 pounds per acre. But when you run it east and west and then north to south, I mean, if you look on the ground, you're just going to see a few seeds here and there. There's not a ton of seed on the ground. So I think if you're overseeding, I think stick with that 6 pounds per acre. If you go a little more, you're probably better off, because obviously the birds are going to eat some, the turkeys are going to come out here, they're going to be scratching around. So better off to go a little bit over than under. But we'll check back in a few weeks, see what it looks like.